So I have here one can of tuna that I already drained out all the liquid. I have some onion that I finely diced up here, and this is some mixed vegetables. This is some carrots, some beans, some corn, you know. Basically use what it is you have in your pantry and we're going to put this everything together. This is some basic seasoning. I have some black pepper, a little bit of pepper sauce, which is optional, a little bit of salt, and yeah, basic seasoning. And of course we'll need some egg roll wraps. Okay, so now that we have finished preparing the filling, we're going to put everything together. So I have one of the egg roll wrap here, right? I have the filling here, and I have a little bit of water. That's to basically seal the edges of the wrap. So I'm just going to put about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half of the mixture on the wrap, maybe a little more. And as you can see, I have the wrap like on a diagonal shape, so I'll just start a wrap from here. Then I'll fold to the side, like an envelope like. Wrap again. And I'll take a bit of water just to seal the end here, the edge like that, and just put that together. And we are done with this one. So I'll finish the rest and I'll be back. The next step, we'll have to deep fry them. So I'm done preparing the tuna rolls, so next I'm going to put them to deep fry. The objective here is just basically to get them golden brown on both sides. Okay folks, so here my tuna rolls all done. Really easy to make, and it's they're very delicious and yummy. And right now I'm made them for breakfast. You could have it like for a nice little snack, like for dinner snack, you know, so just be creative with it. You could use any filling that you like, and I just had some peas and carrots in my mixed vegetables in my pantry, so I used that. And you could use whatever you have in your pantry to make this nice and quick and easy. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell that next to the subscribe button. That way when you do so, you'll get a notification when I upload a new video.